Hi. Today, I'll show you how to work with notes in Voiset and use the auto-scheduling feature. We'll go over how to turn a list of ideas into tasks with clear deadlines, organize them into different areas, and add them to your calendar. What are notes? Notes in Voiset are tasks that are still in the planning phase. These tasks don't yet have a specific date or time for execution. You use notes to save ideas, thoughts, or tasks that need organizing but don't necessarily require immediate action. In other words, notes act as a bridge between your initial idea and its actual implementation. Creating a note. To create a note, click the plus icon. Create note. A note creation screen will appear where you can create a note using your voice or by typing. Use the voice input button to dictate your note and choose a convenient language for dictation. Or simply type your note manually. Use Smart Planning for manual input. If you're typing the note manually, the Smart Planning button helps generate a title for your note automatically. Save the note. Once the note is ready, click Create to save it to the general list. What is auto-scheduling? Auto-scheduling is a unique Voiset feature that automatically turns your notes into tasks with titles, descriptions, and assignments to specific workspaces. How it works. When you create a note, Voiset analyzes its content and automatically generates a task title using AI. If the note contains key dates, locations, or actions, the system helps structure it and even suggests assignments. The tasks are then assigned to your workspaces automatically. Personal tasks are added to your personal workspace. Work-related tasks go into your professional workspace. How does auto-scheduling work with notes? Let's walk through the process. Start with your list of notes. Select multiple notes to create tasks, which will automatically be scheduled into your calendar. Click the Schedule a Task button, and Voiset begins organizing them. The system analyzes the content of each note to determine its assignment. Personal notes are moved to your personal workspace. Manually adjust if needed. Work-related tasks are added to your professional workspace. Manually adjust if needed. Drag and drop tasks between workspaces to make corrections. Once tasks are assigned to workspaces, AI picks the best time slots for their completion. Finalize your plan, adjust the order, move tasks to another day, or accept the proposed schedule. Additional note management features: if you complete a note but don't add it to your calendar, mark it as completed. Completed notes are moved to the completed folder where they remain accessible for review or restoration. You can always manage your workload by adding, removing, or adjusting notes as needed. Why is this convenient? Voiset simplifies the process of turning ideas into actions. You can save all your ideas, and the system helps you organize them. AI handles task assignment and scheduling, saving you time. You get a clear picture of how your tasks fit into your overall plan. Thank you for watching. I hope notes and the auto-scheduling feature make your task management even easier and more efficient. With Voiset, you'll always stay one step ahead in organizing your tasks.